So, babe, come on in. Come in this video. Let's do this together. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, guys. Let me make this higher because you're too taller than me.
Is it?
Let me move it back.
I never realized. What happened? What just happened?
We bought a house.
We bought a house.
And we are so excited. Finally, it's over.
Yeah,
So
amazing.
we're so excited. So we wanted to video or vlog this journey of us moving from our rental property to our own home as landlords, homeowners.
I know, right? Sounds
Sounds amazing. Zaya, no, please stop that. Stop. Go away.
What is he doing?
So we just wanted to video the whole entire process because we're so excited. A couple of things that we want to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
We want to paint the house.
Yeah, definitely. It's a second-hand house, you know, but still in fantastic condition.
Oh,
But
it's amazing.
we wanted a fresh, entry into the house. You know, fresh paint. You know, fresh stuff just going into it. Yeah.
And then later on, we'll be changing the rugs as well. But we're starting off by just painting for now. So we're going to the house now, and we are going to just do a couple of cleaning, especially for the walls, prepping the walls for when we paint. So yeah, we're excited to video this journey and see how we settle into our new home.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be videoing all the entire process of us, you know, getting the house ready and then us moving from this property to that property, and then us settling into our own home.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. It's going to be an amazing journey, amazing experience.
Absolutely.
It's loads of fun.
It's gonna be loads of fun.
Can't wait to start. Yeah.
We're excited.
Peace.
Yeah, you need to do your own piece. All right, let's go, guys. Here we are.
Joshua, Mommy, Daniel.
Go on, press the bell. Does it work? Press it. Oh, there's no lights. Here we go. The door opens. Oh my god. Wow. So empty. Hi, Daddy. This is your house.
Congratulations to us.
Mado.